everyone, you are here again at Learning Hermosilia's vlog and welcome back. Butchi is a type of a rice cake that is made of a glutinous rice and is molded into a circle shape. It has a lots of varieties of fillings just like cheese, ube, mungo. This is another simple and easy recipe for you guys. So let's get started. We need to prepare 1.5 cup of glutinous rice, a cube of cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of sesame seeds, and also we need water. And now for the process. Let's dump the glutinous rice flour and the sugar into a mixing bowl. Then we're gonna mix it. So now, we're gonna add water. Yan. So, add lang po natin yan gradually. Kailangan po natin, madilute lang natin yung glutinous rice flour and the sugar to make a dough. So, this one is the right consistency of our dough. Ayan. So, haluin lang po natin ng mabuti. Okay na po ito pagkatapos. So, now, gagawa na po tayo ng butchi. So, kuha lang po tayo ng kapirasong kutsara ng ating dough. Ayan. We're gonna roll each portion between our palm. Tapos, gagawa po tayo ng small balls. Then, we're gonna flatten. Tapos, lalagyan po natin to ng cheese filling. So, ayan. We're gonna enclose lang po ng ating cheese filling. Yan. Para ma-cover po. Then, we're gonna roll it again. Para makagawa po tayo muli ng maliit na bola-bola. So, make sure po na it is smooth and no cracks po yung ating Butchi cheese balls. Alright. So, we're gonna roll the balls into the sesame seeds po until it completely cover with the surface. Ayan. So, we're gonna repeat the same process for the rest of the dough. So now, in a low to medium heat po, we're gonna fry our Butchi cheese balls. Yan. So, lutuin lang po natin to ng mabuti until po yung crust po nito ay maging crispy and turn into golden brown. So, make sure po naluto po yung ating Butchi bago po natin i-serve sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Cook outside and inside, syempre dapat. So, ayan, umaangat na po yung ating Butchi cheese balls. Floating na po siya. So, unti-unti na po itong naluluto. Baliktarin lang po natin. Huwag niyo pong pabayaan ha, baka po masunog. Ayan. Roll it para mabaliktad, para yung kabilang area ay maluto. And there you go. Luto na po yung ating Butchi cheese balls. So we're gonna strain it para matanggal po yung kanyang excess oil. Then, ready to serve. Alright guys, tikiman time na po. So as what you see, the outer crust is crispy and then inside is soft and chewy. Tikman na po natin. Malalasahan mo pa talaga yung sweetness niya. And then, cheesy inside. It's fantastic, guys. I love it. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Our cheese butchi is already done. For more recipes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Ito po ang si Lorna Hermosilla na nagsasabing ang mga bagay-bagay ay napag-aaralan yan. Basta't may tiyaga ka lang. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you again on my next